Momshies! Welcome to a new vlog! Sobrang tagal namin hindi nakapag-vlog, but on today's vlog, mag-unboxing tayo ng ating padala package, balikbayan package from Mommy! Yay! Last year, meron din kaming padala. So, parang may ayuda kami every year. Thank you, Mommy Eva, if you're watching this. We love you, Mwah! Ayan, mas malaki na ang box this year, guys. Naalala nyo yung last year. Parang kalahati lang nito yung size. So, ngayon, buksan natin. Si Mommy ito bukas. Pagod me. So, ayan, buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Tara. Ayan na. ASMR. Yeah. Mami, tayo magbablog. Unboxing.
Unboxing tayo.
Ayan.
Sism sinabangan ko. Charot.
Tapos sabihin no, ano kayo, subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Gagawin pala. Cooking channel. Diba? Ayan. Walang kamalay-malay yung dalawang bata dun. Meron silang mga bagong... Look, what's inside the box?
There's toys in the box.
Oh, from Lola Eva. Lola Eva sent you something.
Rain.
Wow! Look at that. Sige, mamita. Kaya mo yan. Unboxing. Oh, may mga paper bag pa. Uy, tamang-tama pang lamig. Yun yung request ko sa kanila. Yung pang lamig na mga damit.
Yun.
Wow! Outfit na naman tayo, Dada. For Christmas outfit.
Ayun.
Oh, diba? Ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay ni Mami Ruth. Uy, may mga earmuffs. Para sa ano? Lamig. Bongga. Oh, Michael Kors. Wow! Branded! Thank you, Mami. Oh, totoo to. Michael Kors. MK. Ah, tapos Fank. Sige lang, Mamita. Labas mo lang yan sa floor. Wow. Mag-ukay tayo mamaya. Oy, in fairness, ang dami. Daming padala nila, Mami. Meron yan siyang simbasta tindad kasi minessage na ako. Oh, for Rain and Weaver. Oh, classic na padala. Oh, may mga pangalan. Para naman mag-aaway sila sa mga pagkain. Sila lang naman ang bata dito.
Ayun!
Wow! Wow! Look at that! Cookies! Animals! Yeah, it's animal cookies. Talaga, hindi na talaga lalamigin sa ano, sa January nito. Ano yan, Mamita? Hala! Ay, parang portable ref. Ata yun, sabi ni Mami. Ah, sa car. Sa car daw na ref. Ni Kuya dati. Pinadala nila. Hindi na nila ginagamit. Wow! What's that? Granola bars ba yan? Oh, nature bar. Oh, mahal yan ah. Cut! It's for me. Nang bubukas na.
Put it in my mouth.
Wow, bait naman yarn. Oh, may pa-coat pa.
Kapal yun.
Ukay-ukay tayo dito. I don't know, is it an elephant? Oh, puro damit oh. Wow.
Panlamig na.
Dala ba yung speaker? Ito ata yung speaker na sinasabi ni Mami.
Baka yun sa loob.
Oo, sa loob yun. Speaker. Ang dami. Thank you, Mami. Lola Eva. Diba?
Makapal.
Makakapal ng damit.
Puro mga damit.
And, ooh, cheers. Ang daming cereal. Guys, you have lots of cereals.
Honey nuts.
So many, ano yun, Fruit Loops.
Cheerios.
Fruit Loops but not colored. Wow, you have a... What is that? Ayan. Ano kaya yan, Mamita?
It's
Makaiba.
Speaker ata yun. Oh, ay, gusto ko to. May pa ganito, Dado. Diba? Social, Gap. Ayan. Damit. Damit yan sa palibot, siguro. Tapos, speaker yan sa loob. Ayan. Huh? Parang hindi naman to speaker. Ah, panglalagyan ng tsinelas. Ah, shoe slots. Kailangan pa itong assemble. Baka hindi natuloy. Nakalimutan ko yung conversation namin kung tuloy ba yung speaker o hindi.
Please the briga.
Hala ka, paano to i-arrange?
Yan lang.
Wala lang sa bahay, mama.
Pero oo, magagamit natin to sa lalagyan ng mga sapatos. Thank you, Mami. Ayan, ay padala si Mami. Robe. Buti na lang hindi ako bumili dun sa nagbebenta last time sa bazaar ng robe. Ayan, ang puti-puti. Yes. May pa-ref, may pa-Cheerios, may pa-granola, may pa-food, shoes organizer. Ayan. Puro tayo ukay-ukay. Tamang-tama kasi malamig na ngayon, guys. Sakto to. Malamig. Ang ganda din, oh. Next time na ako mag-haul, guys. Ayan. Tired. Oh, gap yan. Oh.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong. Inside a simple song. Running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die, on shaky grounds. You could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams.
The next day.
Hi! Look at you. So handsome. Hi, Kuya. I like your clothes. Hi, where are you going? Where are you going?
Come here.
I'll go na to Dada. Very good. Let's go inside.
Come here.
Show me your outfit. Oh, that's a polo and pants ni Kuya and shoes. Oh, how about you, Kuya? Show me your polo. Oh, so nice. Oh, you're thirsty. Okay. Alright. Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog! So today we're going to experience Baguio's finest. Fine dining. So, yun, I'm so excited. Ayan yung mga kids. Hi kids! Tingnan mo, nakapustura talaga sila. Ayan. And si Kuya River. Rain! Hi! Look at you! And look at you, River! Look at you! And this is my outfit. Care of Ate Chikay. Thank you, Ate Chikay. If you're watching.
Pinadala ba yan?
Nagamit agad yung balikbayan box. Yung laman ng balikbayan box. It's nice, no?
Yeah.
Bagay na bagay sa Baguio. Ano siya, parang mainit na tela. Pero short sleeves, di ba? So,
Akala ko kay yung suit ng dalawa, hindi.
yung suit ng dalawa, it's from Ukay-Ukay, guys. Watch our Ukay-Ukay haul on this other vlog here, if hindi nyo pa napanood yun. And sobrang nice, di ba? Ano yan? Ralph Lauren.
Oo nga.
Yung kay River. Tsaka kay Rain. Diba? Super cute. And bagay na bagay sa kanila. Mamaya, mag-fashion show kami. Pero we're on our way. Hill Station is just in front of SM. And it's one of the institutions, sabi ni Dadan. One of the institutions. Sobrang tagal na niya na place here, and they serve steak and food. So tara, let's do a yummy vlog. Sama kayo sa amin and we'll vlog pag nandun na kami. Malapit na kami. See you again later!
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore? Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the unknown. Whatever become. Oh, nothing makes sense. Oh, nothing makes sense anymore.
Hey, Momshies! Update. So, hindi na talaga ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos nung nasa restaurant kami, no? So, that was for Dada's work. Nilibre sila ng employer ni Dada. And kaming family ng lahat ng employees is nandoon. And we had so much fun eating at Hill Station. It's a fine dining restaurant here sa Baguio. In my opinion, may opinion lang. Yung restaurant, it's more like a steak place kasi sobrang sarap nung steak, sobrang sarap nung shepherd's pie, at saka nung steak na in-order namin. Hindi naman siya yung parang fine dining na lima-lima yung cubiertos. Tapos dapat naka-formal attire ka. Doon nag-formal kami ng mga bata. Kasi yung ibang mga tourists doon, as in tourist attire lang sila. Like, mega tropical polo shirt and shorts. Yung mga foreigners na nandoon. So, you don't have to wear black tie. So, hindi siya yung nasa isip ko na fine dining. So, pero, the food is fine. So, it's a relaxed, fine dining experience, siguro ang tawag doon. Kasi, ano siya, sobrang sarap ng food. 5-star hotel levels. And the ambience is nice. Without the duties or the hassle na kailangan na naka-formal attire ka, and dapat alam mo yung etiquette, no? So, you could enjoy the fine dining ambience and food and a relaxed way. Parang gano'n. So, ayun. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-intimidating nung nandun ako. Sobrang, ano lang. Parang if you want to feel kung ano yung feeling ng old rich people, meaning yung mga dati pang successful na people, kung ano yung mga bet nila nung panahon nila, which is Team Kahoy, mga gano'n. Wala masyadong modern furnitures. This is the place to do it. And the view around the restaurant is really nice then. The way the house is made, very old rich. The way it's furnished, black and white pictures. So nice. So anyways, since I'm vlogging, I forgot na I'm vlogging. But we are vlogging, promise. Ipupush natin tong vlogmas. Today naman, we're going to a lot of Christmas parties. Itatry ko mag-vlog ng snippets on it for the vlog, for you guys to know what we've been up to. Ayan na, naka-ready na si Kuya. Yan ang suot mo sa Christmas party? Yes. Mag-Christmas party kami naman ngayon sa tennis group ni Dada. And actually, it's a Baguio Tennis Club. So, lahat ng nagte-tennis sa Baguio nandoon. At mag-ano kami, magpa-party kami sa camp dyan. Hey! So, ayan. We're gonna prepare. Oh, ready ka na?
Yeah.
And then after that, church Christmas party. And may mga pasingit-singit na pagbebenta ng kandila. So, tara, let's go. Let's prepare kasi pauwi na daw si Dada. Galing sa tennis.